khublei shibun fibro session part hakani ko jom tang ini pe ya ka question paper jongka driver constable ma ibi driver constable te hakani ka ibi driver constable ka don be tang ka way be ka ne ka series don series re artleti tang ka way be te ini pe menta te ka no pio on score na ka ne ka shispa san format sa comment te une ba ayangai ka ne ka question paper kat kum ki jing tik ki jungu yo hadu shispa ar pramak na ka shispa san pho te kala you hak la hai ha atas par pramak te bla cross spa te gidi ula trim ha at kum ga jingli te in page mentang ne kat kum ka answer ki bla dap ai leng ba ka Meghalaya police website ma te sape yang ni which sentence one should ka English which sentence is in the passive voice kadi number B the mouse was chased by the cat which sentence is correctly punctuated kadi number D I love apples, bananas and oranges. Choose the correct comparative form of happy, the happiest. Fill in the blank. This is the dash move I have ever seen. Most interesting movie I have ever seen. What is the antonym of generous? The selfish. What does meticulous mean? Detail. Choose the correct sentence. The dog barks loudly at night. Convert the following into indirect speech. She said, I am tired. She said that she was tired. Fill in the blank. The sun rises in the east. B. Correct answer. He goes to the gym every day. B. Correct answer. She laid her keys on the table. B. Correct answer. 12. If I were you, I would apologize. B is the correct answer. 13. What is a synonym for abundant? The plentiful. B. 14. Choose the synonym for frugal. The economical. 15. Change the following into indirect speech. She said that she had finished her work. She said, I have finished my work. And choose the correct past perfect tense. She finished her homework before the movie started. She had finished her homework before the movie started. 17. She is good at mathematics. 18. He is allergic to cats. 19. He was accused of stealing the money. The meeting will start at 10 a.m. 21. I wanted to go for a walk. Dash, it started raining, but it started raining. 22. She studied hard so that she could pass the exam. B. Arrange the words to form a correct sentence. 2. She school goes every day. She goes to school every day. A. Which sentence use the correct article? The sun rises in the east. 25. What does cost an arm and a leg mean? To be very expensive. 26. Arithmetic. A shopkeeper sold 450 apples on Monday and 600 apples on Tuesday. How many apples did he sell in total over 2 days? 1050. Siap plus ang do. What is the decimal equivalent of 5 by 8? 0.625. Should divide in it. What is greater, 0.375 or 3 by 8? Siap divide to 3 by 8 and you know then they are equal. What is 3.45 plus 2.6? Siap plus. That is 6.05. What is 0.9 as a fraction in simplest form? 9 by 10. What is the smallest whole number? Is 0. Which of the following is an example of an arithmetic sequence? The 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Which of the following is not a basic arithmetic operation? The differentiation. What is arithmetic? The branch of mathematics dealing with numbers and basic operation. Which of the following is a prime number? 23. What is the sum of minus 12 and 15? The 3. What is prime factorization of 36? 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. Solve the following. 6 plus 400 by 40 is 16. What is the least common multiple LCM of 4 and 6? 12. Which of the following is a factor of 50? The 5. What is the value of 2 to the power 3? 8. What is the square root of 64? 8. What is 25% of 80? 20. 43, then 44. What is the next number in the sequence? 2, 4, 8, 16 they 32. Bag contain 24 candies. If 6 candies are eaten each day, how many days will the bag last? 4 days. Which digit is in the thousand place in the number 84926? What is the expanded form of the number 6045? 6000 plus 40 plus 5b. The car travel 120 km in 2 hours. What is the speed of the car? 60 km per hour. Which number system uses only 2 digits, 0 and 1 binary? A person invests 3,000 in a scheme which gives 10% annual interest. What will be the interest earned after 5 years? 1,500. Part 3, General Knowledge. What is the official language of Meghalaya? The English. Meghalaya was previously a part of which state? Assam. Which British officer is associated with the establishment of Shillong as the capital of Assam? David Scott. The living root bridge are found in which root region of Meghalaya? Khasi Hill. The governor of Meghalaya is appointed by President of India. Which of the following is a traditional tribal council in Meghalaya? Dorbar. Which national park in Meghalaya is known for its red panda population? Nokrek National Park. How many autonomous district council are there in the state of Meghalaya? 3. And 59. The Meghalaya Legislative Assembly consists of how many seats? 60. Who is the head of the traditional Khasi tribes? The traditional Garo dress for women is called Dakmanda. The traditional Janita festival of Bedin Kalam is celebrated to what of evil spirit? Which of the following is major political issues in Meghalaya? Both A and B. Border dispute but implementation of LP. Traditional Garo village head is called Nokma. The Noklikai Fall, one of the tallest waterfall in India, is located in Sora, Borok Teblon. The state of Arunachal Pradesh border which country? China. Who is the current chief minister of Nagaland as of 2025? Naypyidaw Rio. What is the name of the airport located in Shillong? Umrah Airport. What is the name of the longest river in the northeast region in India? Brahmaputra. Who is the current Secretary General of the United Nations as of 2025? Antonio Guterres. Which country hosted the 2022 FIFA World Cup? Qatar. Then question in regional language. Garo, Group A, Garo. 72 is A, Mariana Trench. 73 is B, Hanging Garden. 74 is A, Thailand. And 75 is A, photosynthesis. Cái trang jong ka benda baca liu tam jong ka duriau di Mariana Trench. Cái jong pelan dai jong ka pathai ka badon Babylon, Hanging Gardens. Cái kari ka penmi bun ya kan natural robots ha ka pathai, Thailand. Cái katang jong ka rukom baka kaya lingba ujing thung bat kala na kisla jong photosynthesis. Te kine boro jingkali badai jong ka driver AB constable. Te sa comment ki badai jong ka driver ki katno ki yo score habe de bat kane question paper ode bat jong ka AB constable. Te the next video dengan sapen mi bade ka expected cut off kat kum ka question katno kala ban poi kata cut off expected cut off kala ban day kala ban nom like kala ban day ru yang kita melar ban tip teng saya page then march ka result ki ong ba within 3 months teng saya page maybe by July ni August expected August kena an pandap la ni koloi kata la kwa ban le koloi ta kan nahi khublei shibun